Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we are working on another look using the Covergirl That's Rad eyeshadow palette, and I saw this on Emily Noel's channel and I loved the color story. I had to pick it up. Now I will say I was a bit on the fence when I swatched this. I was like, it's probably not going to perform well, but honestly this has turned into one of my favorite drugstore palettes right now, and I just love the color story. I love how they're performing, and overall just really love it. And at this point I've used every shade in the palette, so yay! So I'm using WetnWild's eyeshadow primer and Hard Candy Marilyn Monroe powder, loose powder, to catch my fallout, because these are a bit powdery, I'll show you. And I'm taking a fluffy crease brush with that minty matte shade in the palette, and I'm going to be picking that up on my brush. And here I'm showing you right here that there's a lot of kick up in all these pans, but I just wanted to show you. It's not a deal breaker. Messily, I'm just windshield wipering this in the crease. This isn't so much as a crease shade as it's going to be a transition shade, because it's barely going to peek over the initial crease shades and help everything blend in nicely. And once I have that laid down, I'm going to take a pencil style brush, and this brush is definitely densely packed and it's going to hold a lot of color. Now this black, I'm literally having to build it up little by little because it is potent. I'm holding my brush at towards the end of the handle for kind of loose control, because I kind of want to like pepper this in, salt and pepper it in, versus just stark black in the outer corner that can't be blended out, that can't be undone. Little by little is key with working with dark shades. So I'm putting this in the outer corner and bringing it up against my orbital bone. And use that orbital bone for a guide for your crease, you guys. And I'm going to take that and I'm feathering that against the other minty teal shade, and now you're going to see me do the same thing with the teal shade that I placed in the crease, and this is going to help them blend out a bit better. Now I'm taking the shimmery teal shade in the eyeshadow palette, I'm picking that up on a flat shader brush, and I'm going to wet that with the AOA Studio setting spray, and this is called foiling. And normally I would use a secondary base or something like that, but foiling eliminates that. This eyeshadow will work to its full potential when they are fooled like this. It will really be super metallic, shimmery shade, very stunning, and I just kind of paint that on. So I'm gonna go back in and add colors back and do a bit more blending and just work on that. And for my highlight, I'm taking the AOA Studio Pressed Powder in Porcelain, and I'm just taking that on a larger shader brush, and I'm applying that under my eyebrow, right on the brow bone, and I'm going to blend that down in the crease. Use the crease brush with no additional product to blend into the brow bone, and I'm going to further blend the black in with the crease shade. And I always fool with the darker colors way too long, but I like the looks to look seamless. So I'm going to be taking some more foiled version of this shimmery teal shade in the eyeshadow palette and really buff that along the lower lash line. I'm taking NYX Jumbo Pencil and Milk in the inner corner, and I just love, like, my favorite shade in the palette right now is that purple, so I had to incorporate it some way somehow, but you could totally do without it. This is a small, teensy tiny precision kind of shader brush, and I'm just picking up that purple and pressing that into the secondary base. If you use a secondary base and you press your shadows in it, you're going to get less fallout onto your face. And I just am obsessed with how this look came out. It looks so beautiful. This is LaColors Neon Gel Eyeliner, and this is called like Wonder, I think, and that's the gel eyeliner from LaColors in Midnight Black. And this is AOA Studio Super Lash, Adhesive, and LaColors Lashes and Designer, I believe they're called. And no joke, I had such a terrible time and hard time applying these lashes. They're literally both right eyelashes, but believe me, these are two right eyelashes in this package. I just dealt with it. I didn't want to take the other one off. So annoying, seriously, so annoying. That they were literally two right eyelashes, no joke. The AOA Studio Fat Lash Mascara, just to mesh my real lashes with the fake ones. That was a Revlon eyelash curler. The eyes are done. Love them. I'm obsessed. This is Maybelline Lifter Gloss in Ice. And I just wanted a glossy lip today, and I love how this turned out. I hope you guys enjoyed this as well. Absolutely love it. And I had to share my gnome nails. I put these gnome nails. I did not film this, but it is incredibly adorable. I had to share it with you. I'm obsessed with this new Sally Hansen Color Therapy polish. Absolutely stunning. All the details on this will be in the description box below. And how cute is this Manny? Seriously, how cute. And that's a finished look. Easy peasy. Beautiful eyeshadow palette. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to check the description box as well as the cards for additional links and a product list. Stay tuned for more makeup tutorials. Thank you so very much for watching.